Papayaya. Not such a ball, but to nobody in particular. As Karela Abdulrahman Yaya takes cover. Long one. Patrick Asiedu has the ball into touch for a throw-in advantage. Karela United. Quickly affected. Karela, Lavitan. Managed to get his cross on, but an opponent in Kotoko have been able to defend their lines gallantly. They lose possession to Karela, taking in midfield at the moment. Bring the ball back to Fatau. Brings the ball backwards again. It's tight here. Very, very tight. Gary Bafeza sends one into the area of Kotoko. Ball has been brought back to goalkeeper, who finds Patrick Asiedu. Babayaya. Babayaya has been brought down. No, that was Patrick Asiedu who was brought down in the center of the field. The referee has already whistled. Quickly effected, and Kotoko will mount another onslaught. Inside the center circle, Justice in Kukuble looking for support. He brings it back to Patrick Asiedu, back to Justice Blay. Kotoko still holding on to the ball. A long one to the right, but straight to an opponent. Karela United kick the ball aimlessly to the half of Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara to Patrick Asiedu on the far side. And Kotoko will begin another attack. This is the man, Andrew Sintimanu. Long one. Kotoko still holding on to the ball. It's so tense here. Patrick Asiedu trying to go around his markers. Can he get his cross on? Babayaya. Babayaya. Oh.
Well, this is Kotoko. Last week against Vision LC, they had numerous couple of chances. Out of 3, they will find the back of the net once. Out of 3, they will find the back of the net once. It was a game they could have gone up by 8 goals at the end of the 90 minutes. But they got only 4. Now today, look at them, chances upon chances from the left, right, center. Papayaya, Saka Dauta, Kwame Poku, they are all making sure they find the back of the net. But the defensive line of Karela United, they've been brilliant so far. But they've not been the best so far in the season.
Justice Blay, a through ball. Can he get to it? But no. Loudly defended by Karela United. No. They are defending so well. Throwing advantage. Kotoko. Karela United take control now. The attack is surely. Kotoko, Lord Amua. Justice Blay. Back to the team menu. Long shot. Oh. Kwame couldn't drop the ball.
Brilliant play from Kotoko so far, dominating play, making sure they create a lot of chances, yet they've been prevented by the defense of Karela United. Karela, who have already conceded 14 goals after 17 games in the first round. Now they've signed some good players during the winter transfer window, making sure they kept that defensive depleted situation, and now they are playing so well defensively against Asante Kotoko.
Inside your own penalty area, goalkeeper can leave on the skipper on the side. Behind the ball. That was a nice header from Saka, but that antics wasn't necessary. That antics from abroad wasn't necessary. Coming the way of Karela, Mohamed Abubakar has played so well today. Playing at the left side of the defense, Karela United has played so well. Free kick. Ball floated to the penalty area. Justice Bay. The header. And still Karela United on the offensive. Long ball to the penalty area. The ball has been returned. Inside the center circle. Kotoko. Kotoko. Fighting for maybe a ball. And the Ishmael. Oh. They couldn't control the ball. As the ball goes over the goal line for a goal kick, which has been quickly effected. Kotoko on the ball now is Patrick Asiedu, urging his men to move up front. There they go. Kotoko, lovely turn. This should be it, but straight into the waiting arms of goalkeeper Ganiu Abdul. Ball went straight to the arms of goalkeeper Ganiu Abdul. Sends a long one. Ball headed out by Kotoko. Midfield action. Karela on the ball now. A lovely through pass. But no. Lord Amwa shepherd the ball. As the ball goes out of play for a throw-in. That was a recap of the shot by Kumasi Asante Kotoko, which wouldn't beat goalkeeper Ganiu Abdul.
That was a great strike from Kwame Poku, who has been the main man for Kotoko in the absence of Albert Amwa, who has been Kotoko's top scorer throughout the season. Now Kwame Poku comes in and is banking in goals. Good save equally from goalkeeper Ganiu Mohamed.
It was a very good shot from Kwame Poku and equally good save by the goalkeeper. A long ball, but that effort has been wasted. Karela United kicking the ball anyhow. They want to try from all angles, but it's not working for them. Goal kick advantage, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That was a shot from Abdul Latif, which went wayward.
I think that was a nice drive as well. Kotoko's defense is not easily to be penetrated. So this is another way Karela can try at least. And they've seen the goalkeeper in the post, Mohamed Kamara, very, very error-prone goalkeeper. So these are some of the ways they will try to at least catch the goalkeeper at fault, then maybe find something positive out of it.
Karela United finding Kotoko defense hard not to crack. So they've decided to try from all angles to see if they can catch the goalkeeper unaware. But that shot went over the goal line. And now it's the turn of Karela United to start the game. Goal kick, long one into the half of Kotoko. Heads go up. And somebody has been brought down. Referee wave play on. Dede Ishmael brings the ball backwards. Karela, Mohamed Asigri Sulemana. They lose possession to Kotoko. Baba Yaya, lovely through ball to Saka. But his pass goes astray. His pass goes astray. And Kotoko will mount another attack once again. This time, ball goes straight into the waiting arms of goalkeeper Mohamed Ganiu. Somebody is down on the turf. That was Dede Ishmael, really in pain. Dede Ishmael is really in pain. I don't know. I actually didn't see what happened to him. But he went down, really in pain. And I can see the medical team on the field trying to revive him. Meanwhile, it's a water break, and the players have taken their time to cool off their tempo. Coach Prosperity Ogum signaling his men to come for some pep talks. He's talking to Baba Yaya. Kotoko playing 4-2-4 formation in today's encounter, with Karela United also playing 4-2-3-1. It's been a KG encounter so far. Both teams exhibiting some very good football, with Kotoko ahead of Karela, but they've not been able to utilize all the chances that they've created. They're squandering all. And as at the 24th minute, it's still barren. Kotoko. Oh, Saka Dauda, he couldn't control the ball, loses possession, and that is the man, Dede Ishmael, causing a lot of problems for the Kotoko defense. Still Karela, long one, but over the touchline, over the goal line, for a welcome goal kick to Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, Karela also trying so hard to strike from afar to test goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Kotoko making sure they deal with their possession, transiting play from defense midfield to the attack. But so far, Karela United, they've also been in the game with their own style, their own tactical plan. Currently, I must say, it is clearly working for them. Coach Amadou Noruddin is so far, everything is going well for them. 26 minutes into the game, they are yet to concede against a side who has been scoring goals week in, week out.
Karela United nearly caused an upset, misunderstanding between goalkeeper Kamara and Justice Blay. It's a welcome corner kick to Karela United. Karela United are defending, but when they are on the break, they are a delight to watch. Corner kick coming their way. I can see the danger man, Dede Ishmael, positioning himself to effect the kick. Long one, but straight into the waiting arms of goalkeeper Kamara of Asante Kotoko. Throwing Kotoko's advantage. Another throw-in. Long one. It's been a ding-dong battle so far. Kotoko trying to find an antidote to the ironclad defense of Karela United, who are unyielding at this stage. Kwame Poku is doing all he could. But 27 minutes inside the first half, no goal has been registered here. Kaniu Mohammed sends a long one into Kotoko's half. And Karela playing with confidence. A long one. But they've defended so well. Karela United, you can always trust them. Mohamed Abubakar sends a long one to Kotoko's half. Joseph Ablo to Kamara. Back to O'Neill Ndongani. Karela United will defend once again as the ball has been kicked into touch for a throw-in to Kotoko. Still in the first half, Baba Yaya lays on the pass. Lord Amwa, lovely turn back to Baba Yaya. Inti Menu to Justice Blay, back to Inti Menu. Sends the ball back to just Abulo, Joseph Abulo. Patrick Asiedu. Long one. He's been headed out. Oh, this is what you call Samba Wame. Karela United player kicking the ball into his own half. But they've recovered so quickly. Karela on the offensive. Mohamed Abubakar. He's played so well this afternoon. Mohamed Asigri has been brought down. That was Habilu Al Hassan. Referee has
one fine player, a refined player at Kotoko this season. He was Kotoko last season, but watching him play this season, you could clearly see that huge improvement in his play. Kudos to Prosper Nati Ogum, his coach. In fact, he's done so well by the way of helping the young man to improve in such a big club.
Many people, or many of the fans, were calling for his sack during the end of last season, but the coach reposed confidence in him, keeping him in the team, and now he's doing a yeoman's job. Kudos to Coach Prosper Nate Ogum. Referee has noticed an infringement. Another cooling break as the players are moving to their tunnels to receive some pep talks.
I think this is another time for both coaches to have some pep talk with their players. Amadou Noruddin, coach for Karela United, so far they've been in the game. So far they've been in the game. It's not easy playing 30 minutes with Kotoko at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium this season without conceding. Is a plus, especially when we know where Karela United is coming from, a team that have scored only 4 goals and 8 goals and conceding 14 goals this season out of 17 games. So they are very, very poor side when it comes to blocking the defense, and so far they've done justice by way of not giving Kotoko, the attackers, the opportunity to penetrate through their defense. So I think Coach Amadou Noruddin will have some talk with them to stick to a plan that will at least give them something at the end of the day.
Coach Noruddin Amadou from FC Samatex to Karela United is trying to turn things around. They are already in the relegation zone, and he has to do his possible best to move out and get a better place in their ongoing league. The second round has just started, and this is the time for the teams to make amends. Those in the relegation zone to fight and move out, and those who are eyeing for the top spot to represent Ghana in CAF Champions League must also battle it out.
And looking at the performance Karela United displayed in the first round, they would have to improve. Where they are lying on the league log 17th position is not Karela United standard. So they would have to improve, and by virtue of that, they've done some good signings during the winter transfer window. Juro Noruddin is in. Ismail Dede, one experienced player, formerly of Dreams FC. They are all in. Maxwell Ajimai, formerly of Asante Kotoko. So they've brought in some good and experienced players who have tasted the Ghana Premier League before. It's not easy having players who have played for Kotoko, Dreams FC in your house. So the supporters of Karela United would only seek to it that the team improves upon where they ended during the first round.
You are live on AFA Sports Media, official broadcaster of the Ghana Premier League, bringing you live coverage of the match between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Karela United. 34 minutes inside the first half, and goal situation still virgin. Karela moving dangerously. He's been brought down. Referee says play must continue. Baba Yaya tearing away from the right. Evans, Peter Amiduakwa, he's been dispossessed.
What a good play there earlier on from Karela United. They swings in 2-3 passes in the Kotoko's box, but timely intervention from Samba O'Neill. Good display from Asante Kotoko to clear the havoc being caused by Karela United.
I earlier said that Karela United are playing defensively, but when they are on the break, they are a delight to watch. giving Kumasi Asante Kotoko defense a lot to worry about. Ball now with Karela United feeling very comfortable, dictating the pace. At the moment, Mohamed Abubakar, he couldn't control the ball. As the ball goes over the touchline, throwing to Kotoko, Lord Amua, Abro, long searching ball, but straight into the waiting goalkeeper, Ganiyu Abdul. Abdul with the ball. Somebody is on the left, Saka Dauda. He received a knock and he's down in pain.
Yeah,
Dauda.
Great intervention there from Justice Nkuku play before finally Samba O'Neal did that justice to keep the situation out there. Brilliant defense from Asante Kotoko.
Brilliant defense by Kumasi Asante Kotoko, but they need to be cautious. The way they are playing, they need to be cautious. Karela United have very slippery attackers who can cause havoc at any given time. The way Kotoko is playing, when Karela gets going, they split their defense as if they are non-existent. Goalkeeper Mohamed Abdul with the ball. He finds Salif Wissa on the far side. And it's Karela mounting another attack. They win a throw-in, which is quickly effected. Long one into the half of Kotoko. Samba goes in with a header. Samba still with the ball. Long one into the half of Karela. Inside the center circle. They are putting the pieces together, but loses possession to Justice Blay. And Kotoko, if this ball has gone through, Wami Poku will have caused havoc. But Karela defense once again rose to the occasion. What a game we are witnessing this afternoon. Karela United, they are defending like mad. Samba O'Neal looking for support for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Brings the ball backwards to Mohamed Kamara. Sends one up front. But the ball goes out of play for a throwing advantage, Karela United. 7 more minutes plus time added on to wrap up the first 45 minutes. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. He finds Justice Blay inside the center circle. And Kuku Blay urging his men to move into positions. It's very difficult for Saka. Very tight. Karela United defense. Very resolute. I tell you.
In fact, they've been brilliant. They've been brilliant this afternoon against Asante Kotoko. We've known how Kotoko this season have been on a scoring run, especially in their last 8 games. They've been scoring for fun, 10 goals scored in their last 5 games and conceding only 2. So meaning they are performing so well defensively and attacking wise. They're also scoring some good number of goals. And today against Karela United, so far it has been good for Karela, making sure if they are not scoring, they are also allowing Kotoko to find the back of the net against them.
Remember, Karela United has been a boogie side to Asante Kotoko. Anytime they meet, it's a difficult encounter for the Porcupine Warriors. And today's game is not an exception. Long throw by Lord Amua, but the ball has been headed out for a goal kick to Karela United. Asante Kotoko are in a match of their lives, I tell you. Karela United are giving them a run for their money, matching them boot for boot. And so far, things have been difficult for Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Asigre is done so well and finds Dede Ishmael. But the ball has been booted away from the danger zone by Patrick Asiedu.
Yeah, one fine defender from Brekum Chelsea. He moved to Kotoko in the summer to partner or even to some extent deputize Esmat, who now is no more at the club. But yet now he's also finding his feet and he's playing so well for Kotoko. A modern day fullback, when he surges forward, is very, very efficient up front. He's crossing super. Defensively, he's been that good for Kotoko this season.
That is some of the statistics. Kotoko trying another onslaught. In Timenu lays on the pass. Baba Yaya loses possession. But the ball has been kicked into touch for Karela's throw in. We have not seen the prowling attacking machinery of Asante Kotoko this afternoon. We've not seen any clear-cut chance from the Porcupine Warriors. The few chances that they've created, they've squandered all, making things difficult for them. Their game has been a mid-forward action, and here they are making another incursion into Karela's territory. Kotoko. Baba Yaya. Trying to go around this marker. Still Baba Yaya. First Justice Blade. Still Justice Blade. He's been heckled, but managed to go through Justice Blade. Sends it across. But it's been returned into Manu. Finds Abulo. Oh. That was an unfair challenge. Free kick advantage Kotoko. Coach Prosperante Ogu, he can't sit. Trying to organize his boys. Things have been difficult in this first 45 minutes for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Justice Blade to Indongani. Can he get Kwampoku? Goes in with the header, but he's been flagged offside. Throwing to Kotoko, Lord Amua. Referee has noticed an infringement in favor of Kotoko. Baba Yaya was brought down. Team Menu has been playing so well in midfield this afternoon for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Free kick Advantage, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We've done 45 minutes of action with 3 minutes of time added on. We've done 45 minutes with 3 minutes of time added on. Kotoko! No! That was Indongani. Indongani. He went all the way to assist the attackers, but goalkeeper Ganiu Mohammed was very alert and managed to save the situation for Karela United. Indongani, justice play. Indongani, Kotoko, putting the pieces together once again. Into Manu, Saka. Oh, the pass couldn't go through. They lose his possession. Referee says it should be a foul in favor of Karela United. That was the chance once again. Oh, it was Ablo rather who got his head onto the ball. It was Joseph Ablo who got his head onto the ball. He has always been surging forward. Joseph Ablo. A chance for Karela, but they lose his possession, and goalkeeper Kamara clears his lines very well. Throwing to Karela, Salif Isa. Shortest one taken, and they lose possession to Kotoko. Babayaya brings the ball backwards into Manu to Justice Blay inside the center circle. Kotoko, Babayaya once again. A through ball! Oh! Oh! Kwame Poku. That back heel couldn't work. That back heel couldn't work. Kotoko still knocking on the door of Karela United. Justice play, lovely turn. He's looking for support. Gets the ball once again. Indongani. Oh, Siedu couldn't control the ball. Indongani all alone. You initiate another attack for Kotoko, and there goes referees Atiapa Alfonso Twisto for the end of the first half. It's been an interesting encounter. Both sides exhibiting very good football. Kotoko tried very hard to open the scores, but they squandered almost all the chances that they created. Karela United also on few occasions created some chances that they also squandered. So the 45 minutes is over, plus 3 minutes of time added on. And the referee has finally blown his whistle. As I hand you over to the man on the bridge, you will come over your way again when the second half gets underway.
Right, so still at the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium. This is the home of the Premier League, and it's Kumasi Asante versus Karela Football Club. End of the first 45 minutes plus time added on, and still 0-0 at the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium. Interesting first half, and we saw the end-to-end action from the two teams. And don't forget, we live on Metro TV, live on Original TV, live on Alpha TV, as well as on the Ghana Football Association app. Interesting first half, Najid.
Yeah, General, I said in the first department of the game, we're going to see avalanche of goals. I predicted like over 1.5. But looking at the blast of the whistle of the referee, when you look at the two sides, I swallow back my words because Karela came into the party first, trying to make certain incursions into the final turf of Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the very first 5 minutes. Kotoko came back just to revenge what Karela were doing. But at the end of the day, I think that both teams have really played well. To the two coaches, I can tell you tactically they are both disciplined. They are just issuing out instructions to the players, and they are playing to the tune of their coaches. So to me, for the first part of the game, it has been excellent.
Excellent first 45 minutes at the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium. But looking at the two sides, it seems Karela are so comfortable as we saw in the first half. The understanding is there, the telepathy is there, the way they're stringing their passes together, and you can see they're playing from the coach's instruction, or by the coach's instruction.
When you look at Coach Nuruddin Amadou, every team that he has coached, you see his fingertips on the team. Now, when he was at Samates, we saw his exploit at Samates and the way they were playing together as one unit. That is the same purpose. That is the same thing that he has brought to Karela. And I can tell you, since the league started, I've had the privilege of watching Karela United, some of their matches. Have not seen them playing as one unit. I've not seen that cohesiveness in their midfield. I've not seen that telepathy. When you look at their left fullback and their left winger, the kind of coordination that they have. And all kudos to Ishmael Dede, the guy that they signed him from Dreams FC. I think that he has marshaled the forward very, very well, and he's giving problems to Ablo and O'Neill. To me, this is the first time that I've seen Ablo and O'Neill committing mistake at the back of Kumasi and Asante Kotoko. It all boils back to Ishmael Dede, the kind of pressure that he's putting on Ablo than O'Neill. But to me, as you rightly said, Karela are playing very, very well from defense to midfield to attack. I can tell you, their transition has been marvelous. Their transition has been excellent. Just that Kumasi and Asante Kotoko are trying to accelerate them when it comes to the counter breaks. But to me, Karela, the first part of the game, they feel it down well.
All right, I'm so still from the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium, and there's an interesting stuff going on right here. But I know definitely my producer will prompt me so that we can, as you can see, the tertiary, Kotoko tertiary on the Titan tracks now as the management of Kumasi Asante doing a presentation for them. I can see they're presenting a set of jerseys for the tertiary or Kotoko tertiary. But still, live from the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium, and this is beautiful, Najid. And you can see the fans.
Yes.
They are cheering the management, the supporters front this afternoon at the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium.
I think that Kumasi Club here, Asante Kotoko, they always set the pace, then other teams will follow. This is Pokopon tertiary, and what they are going to do, I think that they are going to do a presentation for them. Other teams should follow. And you know, General, since that the league started, anytime Kumasi Asante Kotoko are playing at home, you see Pokopan tertiary always coming in their numbers. And I think that is one thing that Kotoko is doing that other teams should watch and learn from them.
They've been supportive from, I think, 3 seasons ago. And, you know, this is so beautiful. This is amazing. And looking at the Hope brand, you see the management of the Hope brand, the marketing manager. You can see Sabin Entry. He's here. And as well as the chief supporters chairman is also here. And they're doing this beautiful presentation for the Kotoko tertiary this afternoon at the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium. And the fans, look at the guys, they are very happy. You know, these are guys who are in school studying, but they have time to come support Kumasi Asante Kotoko when they have games. even though if the game is not crucial, they do come support them. And I think they've done so well, and they deserve this from the management of Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Appreciation is a must, and I think that what the management of Kumasi Asante Kotoko is doing, let's recommend them. Otumfuo Kontompo Ni Afere Ehene Nana Apienkra, who is leading the management of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and they've really done well, because at the end of the day, they want to tell these supporters that yes, what you are doing for us, we appreciate. And I think that this is what some of the clubs needs to learn from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They are more than 100. So if you're able to organize 100 supporters at every venue, or when you are playing home, 100 supporters are able to turn up, then it shows how you are encouraging your supporters. So to me, it's perfect.
All right, I'm so still live on Metro TV, live on Original TV, live on Alpha TV, as well as on the Ghana Football Association app. This is the home of the Premier League, and it's Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0, Karela Football 0. What should we expect from the two teams in the second half, Najee?
Yeah, when you look at Kotoko, not that they did not create chance in the first department of the game. When they played against Vision FC, we saw them creating so many chances, but at the end of the day, they squandered most of the chances, just that they were able to bury some of them. Now, against Karela, I can tell you, look at the number of incursions that they've made into the final half of Karela FC. Look at the kind of chances that they've created. But to me, they have not been able to execute all those chances. In football, the moment you create a chance, you execute it, you score it, then you relax. If you create the chance and you don't execute it, you'll be punished. You'll be punished. Look at the chance that Karela also created. I thought that they were going to bury the ball, but to no avail. So to me, the second department of the game, I've seen that both teams are playing to the tune of Ada. So I think that the coaches must try and vary their system very well. Baba Yaya.
Talking of coaches, we come to Baba Yaya, but talking of coaches, Coach Nuruddin, this is his first official game for Karela United, and look at the way the boys are playing for the new coach.
You know, Coach Nuruddin, before the first run ended, he was with Karela, but just that their last match, he couldn't sit on the bench. This is his first official game. So he has been watching the team afar very, very well. So he knew that when I come in, this is where I must strengthen it. And I think that he has really done it very, very well. For the midfield, perfectly, their wingers are
compact midfield, strong
compact
midfield. Their understanding is that they're not giving a space or chance for the likes of Justice Blay in midfield. We've not seen Justice Blay, much of Justice Blay like we did against Vision, against Accra House.
And I like how their coach is very, very smart, because he has seen the experience and the exploit of Justice Blay in midfield. So why not swing to the wings? That is where we can have our play. Now, because of that, watch Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Lord and Patrick Asiedu, their movement have been restricted. That was what I was talking about. Because if you don't restrict them and they get into the final half and their crosses start coming in, it's going to be a problem for Karela. So Coach Nuruddin has been smart to put the brakes on Asiedu, then Lord Amwa. But in the second department of the game, I know Coach Ogum, who thinks a lot when it comes to these types of games. So I know he's going to tilt his tactics a bit, and Kotoko is going to still carry the day.
Okay, so you believe Kotoko will carry the day? Are we still going to see more goals in the second half?
As I predicted, when you look at Kwame Poku, before I talk about the goals, today I'm not seeing the rare Kwame Poku that we used to see, because he has been policed. And I think that is where he needs the compliment of Baba Yaya. But Baba Yaya, the moment he tracked back, coming back to the game or surging forward again makes it very, very hard for him. So I think that if Coach Prosper thinks that he's playing the two Afron, Baba Yaya, then Kwame Poku should stay. Saka Dauda, Peter Amidu will withdraw. So the moment they send the ball in, at least either Kwame Poku will run to the ball for Baba Yaya to come and they start their movement. So to the second part of the game, I think that Coach Prosper Nate Ogum Doctor must tilt his tactics a bit for it to suit his team, because you are playing 4-4 to the Diamond Star is not helping you. You can still change your tactics.
Looking at the two sides this afternoon at the Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium, both teams, they've been much disciplined, and we've not seen too many incidents. Talking of offensive incidents in the game, I think this is quite impressive, and we've not seen the referee even showing cuts in this game.
Referee Afonso has really done well with his assistants, and I can tell you, when you look at the beauty of the game, how the ball is on the turf, how they are playing. They are not just ballooning the ball. No, teams are swinging passes together. Teams are playing the one-on-one. They know the dynamics of the game is working here, and I think that is what is bringing the discipline here. So to the officiating officials, I think that on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give them this after for the first department. I have to give them 6. They've really done well. Officiating has been perfect. Both teams have been disciplined. The 2 goalkeepers, I saw the goalkeeper of Karela, Abdul, wasting time. It's just
too early.
Too early to do that.
Abdul, too early for that.
Because the moment you got the ball, I saw your players
waiting for the ball.
waiting for the ball. So what were you doing? So I think that Coach Nuruddin needs to talk to him because we just started. It wasn't needful to me. It wasn't needful.
All right, so very soon the second half will commence at the Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Interesting first 45 minutes, and it's Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0, Karela Football Club. I'm 0 live from the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. We're live on Metro TV, live on Original TV, live on Alpha TV, as well as on the Ghana Football Association app. And so Najid, interesting game. The second half, we're hoping it's going to be exciting like we saw in the first half.
Yeah, we are going to see that excitement in the first half, so as in the second half. But I'll still go by my over 1.5. That one is going to happen. It's going to happen.
Okay, so Najid says it's over 1.5 in the second half. My name is Gideon Ochenim Gatuso. Raise the past 700 days with Najid, and we hand it over to our commentators. Commentators, if you can hear me, over to you.
We are back from recess, and any moment from now, referee Atiapa Alfonso will signal the two teams into action. He's going to be assisted by Badina Al-Hassan Halilu, being the first assistant referee, and Abdullah Abdul Salam second assistant referee, and the fourth official will be Charles Bulu. The match commissioner is Ni Ajiribano. I can see goalkeeper Ghani Mohamed Abdo, and so also is Mohamed Kamara checking his net to see if everything is right. And there goes the referee whistle, getting the second half underway. Karela on the offensive at the moment. Justice Blay wins the ball to Intim Manu. Intim lays on the pass. Peter Aqua operating from the left. A through pass to Baba Yaya. Back to Patrick Asiedu. He couldn't go around his marker. He's been dispossessed, but still fighting for the ball. Referee wave play on. Karela trying to make an incursion. That was Dede Ishmael, but you couldn't control the ball. I can see Salifu on the ground.
Yeah, it was clearly a foul incident, but referee played on now. Kotoko in the second half would have to make sure some things they got it wrong in the first half. They will rectify that and find a better solution in the way of getting a goal. Karela United, they were just super in the first half against Asante Kotoko defensively, and they would also have to maintain that momentum, maintain that defensive shape, then helping them gain something out of this game. I'm looking forward to see how Kotoko will find their way through the defensive shape of Karela United in this second half.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko finding it difficult to break through the ironclad defense of Karela United. Justice Blay. His pass goes astray. The same old fashion. The same old passion. The way they started in the first half is the same way that they are playing. In the second half, Peter Aqua. Oh, Asiedu. He couldn't get his cross on. He's still live on AFA Sports Media, the official broadcaster of the Ghana Premier League. This is match week 18. A chance for Kotoko. He was trying to go around his marker. He couldn't do it. Peter Aqua. He is down in pain, but game still continues. A chance for Kotoko. This should be it. Oh! Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, Kwame Poku, he scored a similar goal against Vision FC last weekend. Quite similar goal. He weighed his foot for too long, and it was that feeble of a shot. This is a ball that's not gonna beat goalkeeper Abdul on any given day. But Kotoko still building momentum into the game, into this half, to get a first goal before anything else.
Mase Asante Kotoko now improving upon their play, trying to get a much needed goal. They need all the 3 points at stake to go top of the table. Karela United are also looking forward to get the maximum 3 points to move out of relegation zone. It's a battle of survivor for Karela United. Baba Yaya looking for support. You get Peter Amido. Justice Blay. Kwame Poku with a header. No, Kwame is chasing the ball. He couldn't get it. But Justice Blay, the midfield marshal, is always available. Goalkeeper Kamara will start for Kotoko. Samba O'Neill still holding on to the ball. You get into Manu. in team to Baba Yaya. He fouls this man. Baba Yaya. The skills is there.
That's a clear foul. Yes. That's a clear foul. I wonder why the referee failed to issue a yellow card. But I think,
yellow card. Yeah.
Yes, sure. Fair officiating. Yeah. Fair officiating. Because I would have been very, very disappointed in the referee if he had never given a card to Baba Yaya. That was a deliberate attempt to pull back the opponent player.
Yes.
So Abdul Latif was the victim in that situation. And a yellow card to Baba Yaya.
Yellow card to Baba Yaya. The first player to be booked here this afternoon. Mase Asante Kotoko finding antidotes to the defensive setup of Karela United, but it's been so difficult for them. Karela defending gallantly at this stage. It's Kamara's ball. You will find a blow. Pitakwa. Still Pitakwa. Baba Yaya with a drive. It's been blocked. In team menu. We start again for Kotoko. Patrick Asiedu. Baba Yaya. Kotoko. Stringing their passes together. They've been able to defend their lines. Asiedu. Throwing quickly effected. Kwame Poku. Baba Yaya sends one. Let's go up. Straight into the waiting arms of goalkeeper Muhammad Abdul of Karela United.
Yeah, Kotoko trying everything, every possible thing here to get a first goal. In the first half, the first 10 minutes, they were very, very crucial, but they couldn't find the back of the net. Then Karela United settled into the game. Second half, early minutes into the 10th minute, Kotoko trying so hard to get a first goal before anything else happens. And now Karela United playing defensive game from where they ended in the first half, continuing from here, not giving Kotoko any chance at the back.
Karela United not giving Kotoko any chance at the back. But Kotoko will keep moving. Oh! Another chance. Oh! This was a wayward kick. This was a wayward kick. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Baba Yaya could have done better on that occasion. Baba could have done better.
That was a poor decision from Baba Yaya. Poor one. He got his calculation wrong. It was very, very indecisive. And the final decision was wrong.
The final decision was wrong. The final delivery, not the best. Kotoko squandering all the chances they've been creating. And should Karela score one, that is going to be a disaster for the Porcupine Warriors. Game still continues, and Kotoko Pitakwa, he damaged his man. Another one, still holding onto the ball. Lovely play from Pitakwa. And Justice Play shepherded the ball. Look at that chance from Baba Yaya once again. Oh.
That was just a great save from goalkeeper yes. Abdul Mohamed. Great save to Denny Kotoko's opener.
Goalkeeper did well. Ganiyu Mohamed Abdul. He's done a yeoman's job this afternoon. Standing between Kumasi Asante Kotoko in victory. Baba Yaya. His passes not going through. And Justice Blay, what a tackle. What a tackle from Justice Blay. It's going to be throwing Karela's advantage.
One midfielder who never disappoints. From his days playing for Midiama, making it to Kotoko, he has never, hardly would you say, Justice Blay in the red shirt disappointing on the field of play. A midfield orchestra, a midfield maestro, a midfield marshal, a midfield anchor. That's Justice Blay. He does the job with ease. He cleanses the midfield, and that has been the hallmark of Justice Nkuku Blay.
Justice Blay is a versatile player. At times, you see him in the central position. At times, at the right back, anywhere you put Justice Blay, he will never disappoint. Blay on the ball. Into Manu. Try to go around the marker. He's been pushed, and the referee has waited for an infringement in favor of Intimanu. Free kick to Kotoko.
I'm so thrilled for this young man, Intimanu. One of the most improved players in the Ghana Premier League. In the Ghana Premier League, not for Kotoko alone. Very young guy who made his debut at Kotoko last season. Hugely criticized by his own fans. And this season, for him to have had that confidence and giving away the very best of him this season for Kotoko supporters. And look at how the fans are reacting to his play. He has won the heart of the supporters. The supporters have seen the good work of this young man. He's dominating play, and his partnership with Justice Nkuku Blay as a double pivot. They've been brilliant this season in the league.
Tremendous improvement from Andrews Intimanu. Free kick advantage, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But the quarters away inside the area of Karela United. Behind the ball is Lord Amua. He dummies. And it's blocked. Another shot. Kotoko. It has not been easy for them. They are playing all the good football here. But when it comes to what matters most in association football, that is the goal. That is where they are caught wanting. Kotoko still fighting. Intimanu, the midfield maestro. Kwame Poku. But Karela clear their eyes. Patrick Asebu.
That should have been a one-touch crossing by Patrick Esiedu. He a bit delayed on the ball.
Asiedu delayed on the ball, and Karela United were able to clear their lines. Goalkeeper Gani Mohammed kicks a long one to the center circle. Intimanu stops the ball. Karela had resorted to push him. Saka Dauda was pushed down. Free kick. Kotoko's advantage. Ablo to Justice Blay. Inside the area of Karela United, Intimanu drives the ball nicely. Leaves it for Samba. Samba to Manu. Fresh one. That was a very good attempt from the youngster. That was a very good attempt from the youngster.
Very good drive. Very good drive as well. Kotoko finding it very difficult to break the lines of Karela United defense. So these are some of the ways to get them, at least get behind them. What a way And what a drive from Andrews into Menu. Super strike. It was just a bit wide over the bar.
It was just a bit wide over the bar. He tried so well, trying to place the ball beyond the reach of goalkeeper Abdul Ganiyu, but it flied off the post. The fans waiting to see the first goal here. It is not forthcoming. Kotoko. We've carried the game on Karela. Peter Aqua. His pass went through. Hey, Babaya has been brought down. What is the referee saying? It's a penalty. Penalty for Kotoko. It's a penalty for Kotoko. Yaya was stripped from behind. Yaya was stripped from behind. He's really in pain. And the fans are excited.
Clear penalty, and I think everyone sides with the decision of the referee. Look at that ball from Peter Amidou Aqua to unleash his colleague. Look at that. Sweet pass to Babayaya. Babayaya had a touch on the ball. Then he was brought down by Salifu Issa. That was clearly a penalty incident. Good call by the referee.
Good call by the referee. And Karela making a substitution. Shaibu, sporting number 36 jersey, is coming on. And so also is Jibril Nuruddin also coming on. Two substitutions from Karela United. They've already considered a penalty. Jibril Nuruddin is on. Shaibu is also on. Kumasi Asante Kotoko have the chance to move up front. They have the chance to move up front. But who is going to do the kill? That was the incident once again. Peter Aqua, he laid on the pass. He laid on the pass. And Babayaya was stripped from behind, resulting in the penalty for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I can see Justice Ikukuble, the skipper for the side, electing himself to take the kick. Justice Blay, the fans lover, ready to do justice to the ball. Justice Blay. 1, 2, 3. Blay! The goalkeeper sends it. But the ball enters the net. The goalkeeper managed to get his hand onto the ball. But the power behind it. The goalkeeper couldn't save the situation. Kotoko 1, Karela 0.
Yeah, well-deserved goal for Kobe Asante Kotoko. I think from the blast of the whistle, they've been knocking the doors. They've been knocking the doors from all angles. Karela United have been very resolute, have been very compact. They've been solid at the back, preventing Kotoko from getting a goal. But just after 16 minutes, that penalty incident for Kotoko, Justice Blay, the man, the captain, the fans' favorite, stood up and gets Kotoko ahead from the spot kick. Goalkeeper Abdul Mohammed tried his very best, but it was never good enough to save the situation. Kotoko leading, and I think it's a well-deserved lead for Krobi Asante Kotoko.
And you can see the smiles on the faces of the fans. They are now filled with sheer ecstasy. Kotoko have their noses in front. Ball has been cleared over the goal line by Joseph Ablo. Corner kick to Karela. Quickly effected into the Kotoko penalty area. But Blay will shepherd the ball. It's going to be a throw-in to Kotoko. I must say that Asante Kotoko, as far as the second half is concerned, have lifted up their game. And another deadly striker, Samson Aduku, is also coming on for Dauda Saka. Dauda Saka going out for Samson Aduku. And Babayaya also going out for Jamina. He's going out for Michael Jamina.
Yeah, now Kotoko will go with a 4-4-2 formation, having Samson Eduku, Kwame Poku up front. Then Che Jamina Michael will join the likes of Peter Amidu Akwa, the likes of Justice Blay in Team Menu in that midfield, because they would have to win the midfield so that in terms of creating of chances, in terms of transiting the attack, they will have the utmost control in that midfield. I think, let's see, Samson Eduku had some minutes under his belt against Vision FC. And this is his second game coming on for Kotoko since making a winter transfer move to the far below side.
Well, it's been a ding-dong battle now. Let's see what Eduku and Michael Che Jamina will bring into the game. Kotoko on the ball now is Onel Samba. Karela loses possession, throwing coming Kotoko's way. Coach Ogu now heaved a sigh of relief. His side is up by a goal to nil. And still, they want more. Goal kick in favor of Karela United. Goalkeeper Mohamed Abdul. Quickly effected. Karela. Ball kicked into Kotoko's territory. Joseph Ablo. He returns the onslaught. And now, Kotoko loses possession to Karela United. They've multiplied in midfield. Karela, after the changes by Kotoko, they've multiplied in midfield, trying to hold the Kotoko midfielders.
I think with Kotoko having more men in that midfield, has given another chance, some bit of a chance to Karela United to also search forward. Karela, they are in to reply Kotoko's spot kick goal, and let's see how they will do it. Let's see how they will find their way through Kotoko's defense to get the equalizer here. They are playing against a side they've never lost to when playing at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Should the game goes like this, this will be the first time ever Kotoko winning a game at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium against Karela United.
This is the first time the Porcupine Warriors will be winning a game against Karela United. But I must say, with that consternation, that Karela United have given a very good account of themselves, even though they've conceded a goal. They've played very well here. And they are trying to push more men forward. Karela still on the offensive. Jibril brings the ball back to Abdurrahman Yaya. Stringing their passes together. But to nobody in particular as the ball rolls into touch for a throw-in to Kumase Asante Kotoko. We've done 70 minutes inside the second half. It's Kotoko 1, Karela United 0. Still live on AFA Sports Media, the official broadcaster of the Ghana Premier League. This is match day 18. Itimenu once again. What a drive! What a drive! Superb drive by Itimenu. A classic player by our standards.
Yeah, this second one he's had. This just wide, the post, just wide. And brilliant display, brilliant play, brilliant individual display by Peter Amidou Akwa, another improved player for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Then to a young chap, Itimenu. That was just an insane drive. Imagine that ball getting at the back of the net. It would have been one of the best goals we've seen this season.
Itimenu missing the post by inches. That was indeed a thunderbolt of a strike, but missed the post by inches. Kotoko, they've thrown more men up front, looking for a second goal. And this time, they are firing from all angles, because the defensive setup of Karela United is very resolute. Referee has whistled for a temporary hold-up. There is a temporary hold-up. Michael Chenjamina, who just came on, has been fouled and is down on the turf. This has given the players opportunity to cool off their tempo. That was Maxwell Ajimai in your shot, former player of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, now playing for Karela United. Long one into Kotoko's half is being returned. Throwing quickly effected, and Karela will win possession once again. Salifu, and Karela will still fight for the ball, but Kotoko will say no way. A through ball. Karela, a chance, but no. It's been blocked. Karela looking more dangerously at this stage. They are looking more dangerous. Just look at that. Kotoko defense, what are they standing there for? They are caught ball watching.
Yeah, I think they've really done well at the back to prevent that situation. There was Karela's movement out there, but kudos to the defense. They've managed to clean the situation, and now Kotoko still in the game. Karela will come in strongly. They will have some of these chances in the game. It is up to Kotoko to either to double up their lead so that they will be at the safer side, or Karela United, they are also in to get the equalizer, and they will come after Kotoko as the game proceeds.
They will come after Kotoko as the game proceeds. They've thrown everything into the game. Karela United have thrown everything into the game. They are looking for the equalizer. Karela United looking for the equalizer. But Kumasi Asante Kotoko are also putting in much effort to increase their tally. Peter Aqua, he lifted up Peter Aqua once again, but that chance couldn't materialize. Oh, lovely dummy by Peter Aqua. What a player he has developed into. Corner kick advantage, Kotoko. Are we going to see the second goal? Karela United have been able to clear their lines. In the first round, Kotoko defeated Karela United by 1-0. And similar score line has been repeated here as of now. We still have some 15 minutes to play. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara with the ball. Mohamed Kamara with the ball. Urging his men to move up front. He bounces it once. Lays it on the ground. Kamara, right-footed, sends one into the area of Karela. And Kotoko. Oh. Goal kick. Eduku calling for a corner kick. But the referee thinks otherwise. He said it should be a goal kick. So goal kick coming the way of Karela United. Michael Chejamna, since coming on, has brought a lot of bite into the Kotoko team. He was another player that the fans were calling for his head. In last season, he has also improved tremendously. Karela United, they've been dispossessed, and Kotoko. Wow, lovely turn by Eduku. And Kotoko.
Well, I think one player who has also been performing so well this afternoon is Patrick Esiedu.
Yes.
He's done so well for Kotoko this afternoon. And he's been consistent for Kotoko ever since he had the opportunity as Kotoko's first choice when it comes to the left fullback position. He has been playing so well, helping the team in the defensive shape and helping them when surging forward. He's one of a very good fullback.
Patrick Esiedu has done so well this afternoon. But at times, he invites trouble for himself. Kotoko winning possession once again. This time, operating from the right side of attack. Can Eduku get to the ball? Karela managed to control the game. Free kick to their advantage. Goalkeeper Mohamed Abdul sends a long one. Blay returns it. Goalkeeper Abdul once again. He is now playing as a sweeper for Karela United. Long throw meant for Kwame Poku. Kwame gets it. Peter Aqua. He damages his man. Oh! The pass couldn't go through. Samson Eduku His pass couldn't go through. And Karela United were able to clear their lines. It's going to be a corner kick in favor of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Just look at the clearance.
That would have been a very good goal there from Kotoko. Team play, beautiful team play. There's a training session artwork being displayed on the field. It would have been a sweet goal for Kotoko.
Kotoko pushing more men up front. And the header back to goalkeeper Muhammad Abdul. 10 of Kamara. And Kotoko will initiate another attack. Brilliant play from the Porcupine Warriors. Somebody has been pushed down. Referee waves play on. Karela. Osman Ibrahim. The ball. Oh, Habilu. You couldn't control the ball. It's been dispossessed. And somebody has been pushed from behind. Karela. Habilu Al Hassan. He's been pushing all along. Free kick quickly effected. Kwame Poku. Peter Akwa. Can he go around this marker? Peter Akwa still holding on to the ball. He sends one to the penalty area. This will be it, but straight into the waiting arms of goalkeeper Muhammad Ganiyu. Justice Blay comes to the rescue for Kotoko. Karela United, after conceding the goal, are playing so well. But I might say, Kotoko have played much better in the second half. Kotoko, that was Aduku, showing his strength and brilliance. Play will switch, play to the right. Samba O'Neill. Oh, I think we couldn't get to the ball. And Karela will operate from the right. A long searching ball, somebody has been pushed from behind. Samba O'Neill pushed his marker. That was Basit Abdul. Basit has been pushed. The referee was right at the spot and whistled for infringement in favor of Karela United.
No way would a good central defender allow his marker to go unpunished. I think it was a brilliant foul by Samba O'Neill.
A brilliant foul by Samba O'Neill. Time running out for Karela United. We've done 83 minutes of the second half. 7 more minutes plus time added on. They have 7 minutes to redeem their image. Jibril Nuruddin going to effect the corner kick for Karela United. Sends one to the penalty area. But goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara acrobatically grabs the ball. That was the bench of Asante Kotoko. Saka, Henry Ansu, and the rest waiting for the referee's whistle to jubilate. Samba O'Neill. Peter Akwa, you couldn't control the ball. The ball has been kicked into touch for a throw-in. Advantage Kotoko. Patrick Asiedu with the ball. He's advertising a long throw. Can he get Kwampoku? You couldn't get him. Another throw for Kotoko. Patrick Asiedu with the ball once again. And just look at the coaches. Another shot has been blocked. Into Manu, the midfield marshal. Lovely turn by Lord Amua. Handball by Patrick Asiedu. Handball by Patrick Asiedu. The referee has whistled for infringement in favor of Karela United. Goalkeeper Mohamed Ganiyu sends a long one into the area of Kotoko. He's been headed out for another throw-in to Karela. Shortest one taken. Jibril Nuruddin and Karela. Habibu. That was Abilu. He couldn't move. Justice Blay brings it back to O'Neill. Searching for Kwampoku. Couldn't get him. Karela. Throwing. No. Advantage. Karela United. Habilu Al Hassan. Habilu. He wins another throw-in. Long one. He's been flicked on. But there is nobody there. Samba. Samba to Asiedu. Back to Samba. He clears his lines very well. Kotoko into Manu. What a player. It is the turn of Lord Amua. He finds Ablo. Long searching ball. But the ball has been headed back to goalkeeper Mohamed Abdul. Time running out for Karela United. 4 more minutes plus time added on to end proceedings. Goalkeeper Kamara with the ball.
Yeah, barely 3 minutes plus referee's additional time to end the proceedings. But I think Karela United, they've not been bad at all. They initially couldn't hold up to their plan. It only lasted for 60 minutes and the Kotoko goal came after that. They've managed to get an equalizer, but it has become very, very difficult for them. But I think in all, they've given Kotoko a very tough run. They've given Kotoko a game this afternoon.
Karela United have given a very good account of themselves this afternoon. They've not played badly at all. They've matched Kotoko boot for boot. Only that they've conceded a goal. And Kotoko will go for a second. But goalkeeper Ganiyu Mohammed. Header brings the ball out from Kotoko's territory. Karela in their own half. Still in possession. A long one. But the ball has been headed away by Samba O'Neill. And look at the fans. They have every right to jubilate. They have their noses in front. But the game is not over yet. Lovely cross. And Karela. Karela. Oh. Karela United couldn't control the game very well. They lost composure. And as a result, lost possession. They will still fight again. Foul advantage Karela. They are fighting like mad for the last minute to see if they can redeem their image.
Kotoko this season have conceded some late goals. I think one against Brecum Chelsea, one against Baseke Holy Stars, coupled with others and they would have to, if they are in to win this game, they would have to maintain their composure. They would have to be technically, tactically aware at the back, making sure they don't leave any stone unturned for Karela United. If they fail to do so, there is more minutes in the game. Though we've done the 90 minutes and we are waiting for the additional minutes from the officials. It is a game of football. Anything can happen in any moment in time.
Football is full of uncertainties. 4 minutes of time added on. 4 minutes of time added on has been shown. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they have 4 minutes to defend their goal. They have 4 minutes to defend their goal. Standing behind the free kick is Shaibu Abubakar. Shaibu Abubakar. He sends one straight to the human wall. And they will start another attack. Karela United. Can he really go around this marker? Karela. Oh, he is tearing away. He was tearing away like a sharp knife that is piercing through a piece of bread. Kotoko defense were nowhere to be found. Karela. Kotoko have 3 more minutes. They have 3 more minutes. And Karela will start once again. A long one into the area of Kotoko. Ball dropped nicely. And Karela United, Habilu, Al-Hassan. Oh, misunderstanding between goalkeeper Al-Hassan and Joseph Ablo nearly resulted in a goal. Misunderstanding between goalkeeper Al-Hassan and Ablo nearly resulted in a goal. Karela still pushing moment forward, a shot. And goalkeeper Kamara saves the ball. That was indeed a powerful drive from Karela United, and equally good save by goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Kotoko. They have 2 more minutes to defend their glory. They are leading by a goal to 0. But Karela have thrown everything into the game, looking for the equalizer. Another substitution, Maxwell Ajiman coming on for Al-Hassan Habilu. Maxwell Ajiman, former player of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, now playing for Karela United. He has come on in the last few minutes. Kwame Poku. He gets a return. Kwame. Oh. He couldn't control the ball. They've been dispossessed. And Karela. Free kick advantage Karela inside the center circle. Inti Manu, the culprits. Goalkeeper Kamara organizes his man. He's organizing his man to be in position. Karela moving dangerously. But a wayward kick. A wayward kick by Jibril Nuruddin. Very soon, referee Atiapa Afonso. Goalkeeper Kamara has been shown the yellow card for time wasting. Kamara has been shown the yellow card for time wasting. Free kick advantage Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We've done the 4 minutes of time added on, and any moment from now the referee will whistle for the end of the game. Throwing to Kotoko. I can see Lord Amua. No, that was Patrick Asiedu moving there. And the referee, Atiapa Alfonso, has waited for the end of proceedings. Referee Alfonso has waited for the end of the game. Kumasi Asante Kotoko winning the encounter by a goal to nil. It was indeed a penalty converted by Justice Nkuku Blay. Baba Yaya was fouled and Nkuku converted a penalty for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to carry the day in this afternoon's encounter. So, on behalf of our technicians, the producers, and all those who made it possible for this live coverage to come to you from AFA Sports Media, this has been your commentator, Justice Willie Frimpong, with Krobia Asante being the summarizer, handing you over to the man on the bridge.
Karela United, Coach Nuruddin is right here with me. Coach, you must be disappointed with the first game in charge.
They did well. They play very well, so I'm not disappointed. Only that we need to do more. It's a good performance they put up. It's a good one. They played well. As a coach, at least they have done certain tactical things that are very, very positive. So you cannot say that I'm not disappointed, because this is my first competitive game. Yeah. So I think that that is it. Kotoko, they didn't outplay us, but that is it.
Yeah, Kotoko didn't outplay Karela United, but I'm saying because this is the first time they've beaten Karela in Kumasi. That's why I'm saying maybe you are disappointed.
No,
because
no, so go forward.
Oh, okay. So your next game, what should we expect from you?
We have to win, because we have to win all our home game. Now I have seen them more try to inculcate in the normal playing style, and I hope that we'll be able to escape relegation. That is the motive. We want to escape relegation.
That's the target for Karela now. Yeah. Thank you very much, Coach Nuruddin. Okay, so you can hand it over to him. So it's still live at the Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. He says he's not disappointed with the result because he believes they played so well. And I have Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun with me here. Congratulations, Dog.
Thank you.
You're on top of the league now. Dog, are you going to be there for the rest of the season?
That should be our aim. That should be our aim. If we want to win the league, then that should be our aim. But then we need to take it game by game. This game is over. We need to focus on the next game and make sure that we get a maximum.
You changed Baba Yaya. Was it tactical reasons, or he was tired?
Yeah, it was very tactical. We wanted to try as much as possible to put more pressure on them. So we introduced Eduku so that Eduku will join